Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are reviewing another product from K Beauty, and this is the product we're gonna review. This is their kajal in the shade Spade. That means it's a jet black kajal, and kajal is the product we use a lot in our life. Be it with makeup, without makeup, kajal has to be in our eyes. So I am making this video so that you can make out that this most hyped product, most hyped kajal is worth buying or not. I have a mixed review on this kajal. Make sure you watch the video till the end because I am skeptical that you should invest your money in this product or not. Also, I have done another review from a K Beauty product, which is their foundation. I'll leave a eye link there and you can watch the video as well and make up your mind if you have not bought the K Beauty foundation. But before that, if you have not seen me already on YouTube, then my name is Monvi Sharma. I make reviews and makeup related content on YouTube, and if you're interested in that content, consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean a lot, and press the bell icon so that you would be notified every single time I post a video. Also, give this video a big thumbs up if you like the video, like the review as well. And now I guess the babbling part is over. Let's just jump into the main video. Okay, first things first guys, first I'm going to talk about the basics. So this kajal retails for 249 rupees, which is a bit pricey as compared to my Lakme one, which gives awesome results in just 149 rupees, 150 rupees. I don't know, I always buy a pack of two, and I got it for 199 rupees from Nykaa Pink sale. So yes, you can wait for sales on Nykaa and then buy your wishful products. Okay, so yeah, this retails for 249 rupees, and it is available exclusively on Nykaa. It is not available anywhere else. It is not available on any offline store. Rather, it is available on Nykaa store as well, but that includes only Nykaa. It is not available in your departmental stores or superstores or West Side Lifestyle. I didn't find it anywhere, so it's only on Nykaa. Now, the packaging wise, it is not the basic packaging in which we get the kajals in India. We get the kajal in a flap like packaging और उसके ऊपर ही kajal बना होता है. Okay, so the packaging is different. I don't know that why they have invested in this sort of packaging. मतलब it's not even bougie or it's not like oh my god packaging जिसे मैं throw भी नहीं कर पाऊँ. But again, they have invested in packaging. Why? I don't know why. But it's like कि they have not used any plastic, so we can say yeah, it's environmental friendly packaging. Okay, I'm gonna make more videos on the kajals that are under 200 rupees, so make sure you check those videos as such, so subscribe for that as well. Now the ingredients they have mentioned here is chamomile and ceramide, and there is no other ingredient written on here. I mean, obviously the kajal has its basic ingredient, but they have the richness of chamomile and ceramide, which is good. Okay, now I'm just gonna read the ingredient list from their website if they have any. Okay, now the website didn't give me any ingredient, but it's made in Germany. Now about the claims, we're gonna just talk about these three claims, that it goes well on these claims or not. So they are just three claims. It is 24-hour lasting. We will see that it lasts for 24 hours or not. It is transfer proof and it is smudge proof. Okay, these are just the three things that they have given us on the packaging, but I am going to open my Nykaa website as well. My Face ID is not working. Oh, it's taking little too much. Now, reason to love was it's made in Europe, so that's why I love it. I will hate it for that reason. Okay, it has 24-hour stay, it's waterproof, smudge-proof, infused with chamomile, and it's super pigmented. You can see I have applied it, but don't misinterpret. Guys, I have to say a lot about it. Now, it's cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free product. This is what the packaging and all the basics about it. Now, let's just open the product. Okay, when you open the product, it looks like this, and if you open it, it's a retractable pencil. Now mind it, it's like 0.36 gram of product in it, and it will last you for like 1 month only, I guess so. Well, the shelf life is for 2 years, but I don't think so it will last for more than 1 or more than 1.5 months, because I am a regular wearer of kajal, so my kajal just go for like 20 days at the max. Now if we talk about the consistency, I mean the texture, sorry, and the pigment as well. So okay, I don't know, I mean, look at that. This is the texture. It is black in color, but it's not the most creamiest formula that I've ever experienced in the life. I won't say it is the creamiest. I don't know, I didn't find it the creamiest. I mean, I am comparing it with my Lakme one, and that one is, man, creamiest. So this is how it looks like on the swatch. This is actually a swatch test. Now, I'm just gonna apply it on both my upper lid and the lower lid. I have not made the wing out of it. I have made the wing out of Lakme eyeliner. Not even from the Lakme Kajal. Even Lakme Kajal cannot make the wing. So we're just gonna apply it right now, and then we're gonna talk about it, the consistency, the smudge proof, the 24-hour wear test, everything we're gonna talk about later, baby. Quite sweaty in summers. Okay, I'm just gonna apply it first on the upper lid. Applied it to the upper lid. Now I'm gonna just do my waterline with the same kajal. Now that we are done with the application, now let's just talk about it. First of all, now when I was applying the kajal on the upper lid, it blends very beautifully. Okay, it felt creamy as well on the hand. It didn't feel that creamy, but it felt creamy on the upper lid. But when I talk about the lower lid and the waterline, it gave me a hard time. You guys saw me blending it, and it gave me a literal hard time blending it. I mean, I am the one who has to apply kajal real quickly. I mean, I do makeup in like 5 to 10 minutes in the morning, and I have to rush out of my place, okay, because I'm always late. Okay, I'm not a very punctual type of person. So yeah, I have to do my makeup very quickly, and I want my kajals to glide, super quickly. And the Lakme kajal is the one which does the job beautifully. But I feel like कि मुझे बहुत टाइम लगा इसको ब्लेंड करने में ऑन माय लोअर. ओ माय गॉड, वाटर लाइन पे ही करने में मुझे आई स्क्रोल्ड फॉर 12-15 times. I mean 12-15 times time hota hai. I just kept on doing it. So not like that idea. Now it sets. When it sets, then it sets. I mean, ये smudge ज़्यादा नहीं कर रहा. If I do this as well, so it is not smudging at all. But again, there is third point which I want to tell you guys. Let me zoom in for that. Now when I have applied it, there is a difference between my waterline and the outer area. Usually this difference doesn't comes in the kajal. Okay, so यहाँ पे भी एक ये जो लाइन, एक जो गैप जिसे हम कहते हैं हो गया है, that is also not very much likeable. So yeah, I didn't find it like too good. Now let's just talk about this smudge proof और transfer proof. Transfer ये होएगा नहीं, ठीक है, and smudge की हमने बात वैसे कर ली है, but again a very good note on smudge is this. Okay, it sets. When it sets, it sets. यहाँ से भी upper eyelid से ये नहीं निकल रहा, but it is only good for the upper eyelid. It's not good for the lower lid. Now, my fourth concern is that it comes in a retractable pencil, so you cannot get a pointed wing eyeliner. I used it for the first time, और तभी I was unable to make the wing, and I made that wing with the Lakme eyeliner because you guys saw that I just applied it here. और थोड़ा सा कोशिश की थी मैंने, but it failed horribly. So I didn't try to make a wing. So that's what my eyes look. It is pretty pigmented. Pigmentation is too good. But if I talk about the maneuvering part, I didn't like the maneuvering part much again. And pigmentation is good, and it does not smudge, it does not budge, but it sort of separates. Okay, it sort of leaves the place when you apply it on the waterline on the lower lid. It sort of separates. So that I did not like at all. Now guys, if you will ask me that you should buy this or not, so I would definitely not recommend it, because kajals का main purpose तो for waterline होता है. We rarely use our kajals for upper eyelids. I mean, we use quite often, लेकिन in comparison to the lower, we rarely use it on the upper eyelid. So I don't feel like that you should go and buy this one just because it is launched by Katrina Kaif. So I would not go in the favor of this kajal. Sorry if you didn't like me going against her products. I don't know, I feel like there should be more content. I mean, there should be more volume in her products, because she is from the industry as well, so there should be more in the product. So if you would ask me that you should buy it or not, then I would say no, you should not spend your money on this kajal. And with this, the video is over. Let me know in the comment section that you guys like the review or not. I am not bashing Katrina Kaif in any way. I like her as an actress, I like her dance, her acting skills, everything, but I guess in the beauty industry she's making little low quality product. I won't say that she's not making quality products, but I feel like the formulation needs to be upgraded more. Okay, so yeah, let me know in the comment section that you like the video or not, if you feel the same difficulty with the kajal or not. I am not sure that it would affect on sensitive eyes or not, because I don't have much sensitive eyes, they don't water much. So again, जो water नहीं करती उस पे भी ये नहीं टिक रहा, तो I cannot say that it will be there on those eyes which waters a lot. So again, let me know in the comment section that you like the video or not. If you have any suggestions, any review that you want me to do, then leave the product name. I'll do it gladly. And with this, the video is over. We will meet in the next video. Till then, you can subscribe to my channel, watch the videos that might be coming on your screen, and bye bye. Have a nice day.